In this question, we have been given that let A and B be two events such that the probability that exactly one of them occurs is 2 by 5, and the probability that A or B occurs is 1 by 2. Then the probability of both of them occurring together is. So the question says is that the probability of exactly one of them occurring is 2 by 5, which probability of A or B, which means probability of A union B is 1 by 2, which means either A or B or both of them occur. The probability of this instance is 1 by 2, and probability of exactly one of A or B occurring is 2 by 5. Or we can say that probability of A minus probability of A union B intersection B plus probability of B minus probability of A intersection B. So think it like this. Suppose this is A and this is B. This is A and this is B. And this region over here is A intersection B. The probability that exactly one of either A or B occurs is given by probability of A, which means this whole circle, minus probability of A intersection B, removing this area, which means this, which leaves us with this part. Again, plus probability of B, which means again this whole circle, minus probability of A intersection B, again, which leaves us with this area. So we simply add this part with this part. It gives us 2 by 5. So again, probability of A plus probability of B minus probability of A intersection B. Now let's compute what is probability of A union B. A union B is nothing but probability of A plus probability of B minus probability of A intersection B. This is just because this area is calculated twice. So we subtract it once. So we take this whole and compute it to probability of A union B minus probability of A intersection B, which is equal to 2 by 5. And earlier we have seen that probability of A union B is 1 by 2. We put this over here in this equation, yes, right here, and then we get probability of A intersection B 1 by 10.